Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte H10M HV2. So first we have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is official website of the Gigabyte, and then click to search. Then enter your model number of motherboard H610M H2. Then hit enter. So click on the title of the motherboard. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. Select yes, no, Windows 10 and 11. Okay, both installations process same. So audio driver and Realtek audio driver, and click to download. When you click to start downloading, it start. I already downloaded. Then double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. So wait few seconds. It will close mid installations. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then close it. Chipset. First install this one Intel serial driver and click to download. It is completed. Just open it. Then double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is downloading. Now this is installing to system. So wait few seconds. It will close automatically. Means this is installed like that, and then close it. Scroll down and then install this one Intel INF installations and click to download. It will start downloading. After that, just double click to exe. Now give the register rights to install. So wait few seconds. It will start instructions. Then it is wait few seconds. It will close automatically. Means this is installed. So it is closed, means this is install, and then close it. Scroll down, install LAN. So this is LAN driver, and always download and install latest one. So click to download. So it will start downloading in the download box. So guys, I already downloaded. So just open it and download to exe. So click on yes. Now this is extracting. So this is close automatic, means this is install. Close it. VGA driver. So this is Intel VGA driver, and click to download. When you click to start downloading, it will start downloading in the download box. So I already downloaded. So you can see this graphic, and just double click it. Then click on yes. Okay, now this is extracting to installation. Then click again, double click. Then click on yes. Extracting. Now this is installing the graphic driver. So it is completed. After that, close it. So guys, this is same method for the Windows 11, and this is install. After that, restart your system and then check it. Okay, thank you, bye bye.